there, welcome to this tutorial on how to use Sociality. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to launch your own app with your recorded courses, your recorded videos in less than 5 minutes. And this is what you will see the moment you sign into Sociality. So the moment you sign in, this is where you land up, and let's go ahead and start building. So you can give a name to start with. It will give you a logo by default, but you can change this later. And then you will be asked to choose a template. Right? There are multiple templates that are available in which a lot of the groundwork is done for you. So in this case, what we're going to do is pick the recorded classes. This is ideal for people who already have some content ready with them, like videos, podcasts, ebooks. You're an instructor, you want to create a course out of it and stuff like that. This is what you should use. So let's go ahead and pick recorded classes. If you have a referral code, you can put it right here to get some hands-on discounts. Otherwise you can skip it. So once you select your template, you will be brought onto this screen where there are going to be tutorials on the screen itself. What you're seeing right now is the same thing that you will also see the moment you log in. And all that we need to do is just follow these simple steps. So it says this is your content tab, this is where all your content resides. So as you can see, there are multiple tabs over here, and the first one is where all your content is going to reside. This is the content tab. Okay. And in the content tab, you have multiple collections. A collection is what your user will ultimately pay for. A collection might have a course inside it, right? So it will have chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and so on. And you can set a price to it that the people should pay in order to unlock all the videos that you have uploaded inside. So, okay, let's go ahead and add a collection. My first course. So give a name to it. And add the collection. So the moment you add the collection, you can start defining how it looks, what is there inside it, and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and edit it. The first thing that you need to do once you create a collection is add content. And there are multiple forms of content you can add. And in this case, we're going to add video. So you can add a video, you can add a live stream, you can add PDFs, you can add a blog, you can also add a quiz if need be. But first off, we'll go ahead and add a video. So let's give a title to this video, chapter 1. And let's upload a video. Upload it, and then you need to pick whether people can view this before paying or after paying. Right, so you should choose the before paying if you want to give out this video as a sample before people actually make a purchase. This is great for introductions, for giving an idea as to what the user can expect on the app after buying it. So since this is chapter 1, it's an introduction, so I'm going to say people can watch this before paying. Right, and then we'll set a price. Actually, before we set a price, let's add one more content item. Alright, so this is going to be chapter 2. And let's upload the file again. Great, but this time we are going to select only after paying. This means people will be able to watch this video only if they have bought the collection. Great. Now that we have added both our chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, we can now go ahead and set a price to this. Set pricing options. You can have multiple pricing options. Let's say we're going to say 25 rupees for 1 day access, and we'll say 50 rupees for 7 days validity, and save the pricing. Great. Once we set the price, the next thing that we need to do is make this look prettier. So let's go ahead and add a display image. It gives you a suggestion to use Canva. If you're not a designer, we strongly recommend using this tool. You can just go into canva.com. The link is right over here. It helps you create beautiful looking posters. And I already have my poster created beforehand. And once I do that, I need to go ahead and save it. Right, that's it. So my collection is created. We've set a price. We've added content items to it. What we can also do is add a chatbot. Let's say you want to give some personalized content to people out there. You can add some questions that you can ask your audience. So imagine this to be something like Google Form, but it is presented beautifully in the form of a chatbot, as we will later see. So let's go ahead and customize this tab as well. We need to, of course, add some questions. And we can also set a price that people need to pay before they submit this answer. ₹20 and save the price. You can add the questions. So we'll say, what's your profession? Manager. Now you can set a response. So whenever somebody selects the option manager, this response will get sent by the chatbot. It's just a cool way to keep the question and answer a little bit more engaging, so that people don't get bored in the process. And you can say software engineer. You can also leave this blank, it doesn't really matter. And you can also add, let's say, and we can say save. Awesome. So we have set our questions here. It gives you a small demo of how it will look on your app, but we'll check it out a little bit later. Awesome. So we have added our questions. We can now publish our app. So let's just tap on Open App. The app is ready. If you want any help in making the app even better, drop in your phone number here and we will contact you and help you make the app even better. And there are a lot of other features that you can, of course, explore the moment you are satisfied with your first version of the app. That's it. So let's go ahead and open our app. So once people open up your app and they can start buying your subscription, right? The moment they start the subscription, they'll be able to watch all the content here. As you can see, the chapter 1 says open, and you can open it even without making a payment and play the video if you want. But the chapter 2 says it's logged. If I try to open it, it says you must buy this collection to access this content, right? So we have not yet bought this subscription, so we need to go ahead and buy it before I can open up chapter 2. So let's open buy subscription, proceed to pay. A lot of these options that you can use. So once somebody makes the payment, you will get a notification on your email saying somebody has made a payment and it's been successful. And for the user, it will say the collection is now unlocked, right? So this says unlocked right here. And now if I try to open it, it actually does open and I can play the video. Great. So we have now seen how you can add content items to a collection, set a price to it. People can start consuming this content the moment they pay for it. You can continue to add more videos, more PDFs from your builder. Let's also quickly look at how our chatbot looks. So we had 2 questions. It says there are 2 questions. Let's say we're ready. What is your profession? I'm a software engineer. Hey, my name is Marvin. And that's it. I can pay to submit my responses. It'll give me those same options again. And once I make the payment, you will get an email saying somebody's responded to the questions along with their answers. Right, I'll just cancel it for now. That's it. That's your app. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? And it's really easy to set it up. And make sure you go to your app builder and explore all the other possibilities. You can look at how to customize your app even further. You can add more features to your app. There are a lot of features that you can add. And if you have any problems whatsoever, make sure you contact us at contact@sociality.com. We will be more than happy to help you. So getting started and launching your courses on Sociality.com and having your own app is really super simple. It takes you less than 10 minutes to get started. So I encourage you to go ahead, log on to Sociality.com and start building your app right now. I can't wait to see what you build. Thank you.